Bye-bye. Hi guys, I just got back from class and I'm now gonna make some avocado toast. I actually read a comment that someone was like, I miss when Michaela would make her avocado toast. Well, that's a good idea. Let's make some avocado toast. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat this morning. Like, I just woke up, went to class because I somehow always do this where I set so many alarms to wake up early, 9, 8. I wake up, turn them off, and then I wake up like an hour later, right before class starts. I'm like, ah, that's great. The way I always burn like every toast that I ever make. Are you joking? Today I want to do some laundry. I want to clean up my room because guess what? It's already a mess. Finish up some biology homework because that is all due today. Probably catch up on some like reading of chapters. Can I tell you guys a secret? I'm just like, do I need to read these textbooks? I hate reading textbooks. It's too complicated. Also guys, we brought the big circle mirror here. I actually initially left it at home, but I ended up going down like last week to bring up a bunch of stuff that I forgot, and we decided to bring this beauty up, and it's like in a good spot, so I like it. It's just we need to decorate the living room because it is quite bland here. We're gonna do that sometime probably this week. We also need to blow dry our hair. Top is getting like really frizzy right now and tangled up, so we're gonna take care of that. Someone has Chick-fil-A in their hand. All right, I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, I want to clean my room now. It is just slightly cluttered. I do want to play some music, so I'm not going to be including the audio in this just because I can't do this in silence. Otherwise I can't do it, then I can't do it.
Was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. With the kid, got it. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, honey, pockets riding. Got it. I go to space with the stars. Might smoke a blunt with my body. Saturn, moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. Young rich nigga with.
Guys, we're gonna take out the trash right now. Fun fact, actually really sad fact. I just did my hair so I could look good. Just taking out the trash. Next couple seconds, you're gonna see me filter my videos. If you guys are curious, I use Visco Premium, which does allow you to do that. I actually like to start off with picking a filter, which I typically choose between K3 or C9. Just kind of depends on how my lighting is. Sometimes I'll even go with a warmer filter, really depends. And then I like to go in and actually fix up the highlights and shadows. This actually just helps my video look a little bit warmer and gives a cool look to it. And then I'll actually go into the white balance, and I'll adjust it to however I feel like what the video needs. So either if it needs to be cooler, if it needs to be warmer. I actually like to go and adjust the colors, so it's the last option at the end. I will go in and fix up the orange tones, the blue tones, red tones. This is all up to you. You guys should experiment with it because I feel like that way you can get a feel for how you want your videos to look. And I save it to my camera roll and upload the video. All right, guys, it's currently 7 o'clock. We need to do some math homework, unfortunately. I did a whole page of like freaking work. Yesterday I kept having to erase everything, which now I technically can just erase all of this. Let's do that.
Start your computations.
Frick. Guys, I'm gonna do some laundry right now. I do have some friends over, but I just want to get this done really quickly so I can like sleep in my bed tonight. You guys are gonna see me a lot in pajamas throughout like my videos in college, just because like that's the best way to just be comfortable.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go hang out with some friends tonight. I thought I would share my fit because I kind of love it, as I've probably said about every fit that I've shared with you guys, which is true. So this tube top, Princess Polly, pants, Yes Style, pretty sure everything's from Yes Style at this point. Shoes, Air Forces, I don't know, and it curled my hair. I do love this fit. It's very cute. Love it. All right, I'm gonna do my skincare. As you can tell, whenever I wake up, my voice sounds like this, and it's kind of cool. I like it. I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that I've been using for my skin because I've been kind of proud of it lately, thanks to all the skincare that I have from Yes Style, actually. Anyways, first thing I'll do is go in with this rice toner. I know that this one was like super popular on their website. So far, it's been really nice on my skin. I just like to put on a cotton pad. I have, oh my gosh, I do believe I have a code for you guys that you guys can use to get money off of Yes Style and just get some benefits from them, because they always have like good deals going on. They have great skincare. It's Korean skincare, I believe that's what I want to say. So like, you know that it's good regardless, it's gonna be good. I also like to go in with this snail repair eye cream. Honestly, I just like the feeling of it on my eyes, like under eyes. It literally feels so creamy and just feels so nice under. I hope today I can order some Chick-fil-A, because obviously right now I don't have a car with me, so I can't really do too much in terms of just like going out anywhere. I just mostly will like stay inside. I am looking actually to get a car though. I'm gonna pour some Claire's freshly juiced vitamin drops. I just like to put like a couple. This one has a very interesting consistency because it feels very a little bit thick, like not too, you know, melting into the skin, but it does feel good. Like it doesn't sit on top. It eventually melts into the skin, if that makes any sense. So the last thing I'll do is I'll go in with my Supergoop sunscreen, but I recently got the daily moisturizer, so I tend to always forget to do sunscreen because I do moisturizer then sunscreen, and I'm like, oh, it's too much. Now I just have it in one step. Like, what's the friggin' word? Yes, that's what it looks like. It's very nice. I do love it, and thanks to all my skincare from Yes Style. This isn't sponsored by Yes Style at all either, so I'm just sharing my tips with you guys or what I've been using.
Yeah. In this life, you know you gotta live it